What we do is accelerate business intelligence. So we accelerate the queries that companies are running on petabytes of data, billions of records, and they could be billions every day. We're going to speed that up to less than a second.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what are the ways that you are partnering with Microsoft?
So we are a gold certified partner of Microsoft, and that our competency is with Power BI. So we integrate seamlessly with Power BI, Azure, HD Insights, and we work very closely with them on understanding on how we need to integrate with their products to support their customers. Microsoft helped us with accelerating our company, right? And so we've been able to develop solid relationships with companies that have a lot of experience with Microsoft products. There are some system integrators that are working with their clients that use Microsoft, and that's where we've been able to develop very strong relationships with more companies through this program.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time today.
All right, thank you.